Good afternoon, and thank you, Mr. Chairman and other elected officials. As of noon today, there have been 46 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the 8-county Coastal Health District. This represents a 283% increase during the past week. In Chatham County, there are 16 confirmed cases. This represents a 300% increase in the past week. Here in Chatham County, some who focus only on the numbers seem to believe that we've been relatively lucky thus far. Maybe we have, but in no way should we be complacent. One need look no further than Daugherty County or Albany, Georgia, to get an inkling of how serious the situation truly is. Daugherty County is in the top 4 counties in the nation in cases per capita and has had more COVID-19 related deaths than any other county in Georgia. The last time I checked, Daugherty County is much more rural and isolated than is Chatham County, and is also quite a bit smaller in population. Using the retrospectoscope, we know that it generally takes at least 3 and usually 4 to 6 weeks from the time of the first documented cases in a community before the situation in that community potentially explodes. Our first cases in Chatham County were confirmed about a week and a half ago. I fully expect our numbers to increase very rapidly over the next several weeks. And please remember that these numbers only represent the positive tests that were collected here locally, where testing has heretofore been very limited. We have no way to know how many people may have entered our communities from other parts of the state or country who are already confirmed positive, and no way to know the number of local people who have had very mild symptoms of COVID-19 and who have not been tested. This is truly a very serious situation. We should all focus on social distancing and good public health hygiene to the extreme, rather than just focusing on the numbers. These numbers we keep talking about that we're seeing now is really a retrospective glimpse of what was happening 7 to 10 days ago, and not indicative of the current situation. Unfortunately, it will remain like this until we have the ability to perform real-time screening, as we can do with influenza and HIV, a simple, cheap test that provides rapid and reliable results. To those of you who are listening and responding in a socially responsible manner, a very sincere thank you. To those of you who seem to think that you're invincible or this is somehow just a joke, please wake up. Even if you're relatively young and less likely to have a serious outcome if infected, you can certainly spread COVID-19 to those around you who may be in a more compromised situation. In conclusion, I do believe that we're fortunate that our community leaders throughout Chatham County have been proactive in instituting protocols to promote social distancing. As individuals, we can and must help as much as possible by being responsible and doing our parts. Thank you.